Sean Creelman in Sandbridge, Virginia. Well, we bought the house in 23 and I was looking for a company to do substantial backyard work. And so I went on Google and did some little research, and Solid Structures came back with some really good reviews. The website was awesome, had a lot of great information and a lot of videos of what they've done in the past, and I just kind of liked the work. It was nice and clean. I had a couple things on my wish list. I definitely wanted an outdoor kitchen. I wanted a fire pit so I could use it like seasonally into the fall. Wasn't real sure what I wanted, so working with Nick and Solid Structures and coming up with a design was really seamless. They showed me the options. They actually gave me a video kind of walkthrough of what it would look like with their ideas. We didn't make many changes, just a couple here and there, but most of the thing they came back with I was happy with. So we had an old rundown wooden deck out front. We took all that out, redid the whole front deck, put in some nude turf out front, which makes it look really great. Otherwise, it was just really old grass out there. Everyone that's been down, we've had friends, we've had family here. Everyone's been blown away about how fantastic it looks. The before and after pictures are crazy. To see it now, it makes me very happy. I walk out here every morning on the third deck and just look down, and I love it. And at night, it looks great with the lighting. I think from start to finish, the process was great. The communication was awesome. Everyone did a great job. Carlos, Matt, Lucky, Steve, everyone at the office, Alex, Nick, everyone was great to work with, and I still have a few things I'll probably do next year, and definitely be giving them a call. Yes, I highly recommend Solid Structures.